Finding a high-performance survival equipment in 2026 doesn't have to cost a lot of money. 10 inexpensive blades that outperform their weight class are the topic of this video. These knives demonstrate that dependability and durability are available at any price point, ranging from well-known American classics to contemporary tactical folders and large brush-clearing cookies. These under $100 powerhouses are the greatest value options for your 2026 kit, regardless of whether you're a prepared survivalist or a weekend hiker. The Gerber Ghost Strike Fixed Blade is a compact and lightweight tactical knife designed for discreet everyday carry and self-defense. It features a 3.3-inch 420 stainless steel blade with a sleek black ceramic coating, providing excellent corrosion resistance and a low-profile appearance. The drop-point blade design ensures versatility, whether you're cutting through tough materials or handling finer tasks. Its skeletal frame construction reduces weight while maintaining exceptional strength, making it easy to carry without adding bulk. The handle is equipped with a diamond texture rubberized grip, providing a secure and comfortable hold even in wet or slippery conditions. One of the standout features of the Ghost Strike is its modular sheath system, designed for both horizontal and vertical carry. Whether you prefer it on your belt or as a neck knife, the versatile mounting options adapt to your needs. Compact, rugged, and built for reliability, the Gerber Ghost Strike is the ultimate fixed blade for those who prioritize readiness and efficiency. The Dragon Creek Tactical Knife is an aggressive and relentless fixed blade engineered for absolute lethality in 2026. Designed with a focus on self-defense and tactical survival, this tool features a high-performance D2 tool steel blade that achieves an impressive hardness of 60 HRC. Its precision ground straight edge and needle-sharp tip are optimized for maximum penetration and clean slicing. The full-tank construction is paired with a high-track. It features a razor-sharp 5.3-inch blade crafted from high-performance D2 tool steel, hardened to 60 HRC for superior edge retention. Managing a heavy-duty campsite, its black stonewash finish provides a low-profile, non-reflective surface that resists wear and corrosion. It features an overall length of 14.37 inch and a heavy-duty weight of 22.88 ounce, complete with a versatile Kydex sheath for rapid deployment. It is a formidable addition to any tactical kit. The Flissa Survival Hunting Knife is a budget-oriented full-tank fixed blade built for outdoor and survival use. It features a 5.1-inch blade made from D2 steel with titanium coating, offering solid strength for chopping, slicing, and camp work. The blade has a classic clip-point profile with a sawbutt section on the spine, adding utility for cutting small branches and notching tasks. Overall length measures approximately 9.8 inch, and the knife weighs around 7.8 ounces, giving it good momentum behind each swing while still being manageable on long hikes. The ergonomic micarta delivers a non-slip, comfortable grip in wet or dry conditions, and the kit includes a leather sheath with a belt loop for secure carry. Practical, rugged, and affordable, this Flissa survival knife is a strong choice for camping, bushcraft, and emergency kits where versatility matters.
The SOG Ace Fixed Blade is a budget-friendly yet reliable option for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists alike. Featuring a 3.8-inch 7CR17 MOV stainless steel blade, it offers a sharp edge with good corrosion resistance, making it a practical choice for various cutting tasks. The clip-point blade shape is versatile, allowing for efficient slicing, piercing, and precision work. Whether you're out camping, hiking, or tackling daily chores, the textured thermoplastic rubber handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, even in wet conditions, ensuring your hand stays firmly in place during use. The jimping on the spine adds extra control, making it easy to maneuver for detailed tasks. The Ace comes with a molded nylon sheath that's lightweight and durable, featuring a belt loop for convenient carry. Whether you're a seasoned outdoorsman or just starting your bushcraft journey, the SOG Ace Fixed Blade delivers dependable performance without breaking the bank. The Morakniv Kansbol is a versatile and lightweight bushcraft knife that combines the best of both worlds, the durability of a fixed blade and the precision of a carving knife. Featuring a 4.3-inch Sandvik 12777 stainless steel blade, the Kansbol offers excellent corrosion resistance and edge retention, making it ideal for both wet and dry conditions. One of its standout features is the dual grind edge, with a scanny grind near the handle for controlled carving and a thinner grind towards the tip for finer cutting tasks. This makes it a highly adaptable tool for bushcraft, camping, and survival situations. The ergonomic polymer handle provides a secure grip, even in wet conditions, and the knife comes with a durable polymer sheath for easy carry. Whether you're processing wood, preparing food, or making precise cuts, the Morakniv Kansbol is a dependable and budget-friendly choice for any outdoor enthusiast. The Buck 113 Ranger Skinner is a compact fixed blade that blends traditional style with practical performance, making it a favorite for EDC and field use alike. It features a 3.125-inch drop-point blade made from high-quality 42HC stainless steel, offering excellent edge retention and easy maintenance. The blade shape is optimized for slicing, skinning, and general utility tasks, while the full-tane construction ensures strength and reliability. Its standout feature is the beautiful handle crafted from genuine walnut or other premium materials depending on the model, providing a classic aesthetic and a comfortable grip. The ergonomic curves fit naturally in the hand, allowing for controlled precision during detailed work. It also comes with a genuine leather sheath for secure belt carry, adding to its everyday functionality. Whether you're an outdoorsman or someone who appreciates a refined yet capable tool, the Buck 113 Ranger Skinner offers timeless reliability in a compact package. The SE Authentic Model 5 is a beast of a survival knife, built for hardcore outdoor and tactical use. Designed with input from U.S. military SEER instructors, this knife is made to withstand extreme survival conditions. It features a 5.25-inch 1095 high-carbon steel blade with a tough powder-coated finish, ensuring durability, excellent edge retention, and resistance to harsh environments. The 0.5-inch thick full-tang construction makes it incredibly tough, capable of wood plying and other heavy-duty tasks. Its micarta handle provides a secure, comfortable grip, even in wet conditions, while the extended pommel can be used as a glass breaker or hammer. The knife comes with a kydex sheath with a belt clip, ensuring easy and secure carry. Whether you're an outdoor survivalist, military personnel, or bushcraft enthusiast, the SE Model 5 is built to handle anything you throw at it.
The Schrade SEHKM1 Kukri Machete is a powerful and versatile cutting tool designed for serious outdoor and survival tasks. Featuring a 13.3-inch curved grade made from 3CR13 stainless steel, this machete excels at chopping, slicing, and clearing dense vegetation with ease. The Kukri-style blade ensures maximum cutting efficiency, allowing deep, powerful strikes with minimal effort. For enhanced control, this machete comes with a thermoplastic rubber handle, providing a secure and comfortable grip even in wet conditions. A lanyard hole and wrist lanyard add extra safety, ensuring you maintain control during heavy-duty tasks. This machete also includes a durable nylon sheath with a shoulder strap, allowing for easy transport and accessibility in the field. Whether you're camping, hiking, or preparing for survival situations, the Schrade 1 Kukri Machete is a rugged and reliable tool, perfect for those who need a dependable machete for demanding outdoor environments. Small in size but big on performance, the CRKT Minimalist is the perfect neck knife for those who value reliability in a compact package. Designed by Alan Foltz, this ultralight blade measures just 5.25 inches overall and features a full-tank 5CR15 MOV stainless steel blade, making it tough enough for both survival situations and everyday cutting tasks. Whether you're slicing through cordage or prepping firewood, this little powerhouse delivers with precision. Ergonomics are key here. The deeply contoured G10 or micarta handle ensures a rock-solid grip even in wet or gloved hands. A braided paracord lanyard adds extra stability, while the included sheath provides quick deployment when you need it most. While some users opt for an aftermarket kydex upgrade, the stock sheath still offers decent retention for daily carry. For hikers, campers, and EDC enthusiasts looking for a discreet yet capable tool, the CRKT Minimalist proves that great things really do come in small packages. These under $100 powerhouses prove that high-performance survival gear doesn't have to break the bank in 2026. Which of these blades are you adding to your kit? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Best Tech for more elite gear reviews.